Welcome to our presentation on the innovative RFID-based poultry monitoring system called the ChickenCheck. Designed for smart farming, it automates flock tracking, reduces manual work, and enhances poultry welfare. On traditional farms, farmers manually check if all birds return at night. This is tedious and often unreliable. ChickenCheck solves this with UHF RFID tags on each chicken, antennas around the coop, and a central reader. ChickenCheck is perfect for poultry farmers. This system can also be used in warehouses for tracking inventories, or even for event attendance.